Okay, let's try this question here. And it says a whole bunch of things here. And it gives us these two parallel lines. It gives us that R2 is 40 degrees. It gives us that P1 is 44 degrees. It also tells us that PQ is a tangent line. That's important because I bet you that tan chord theorem is happening many times. It usually does. Let's see here. We're going to find out what P2 is. What's P2? Well, that looks like the angle between a tangent and a chord. I've got a feeling that P2 must be 40. I think P2 is probably 40 degrees. And you know that that's the tan chord theorem. That's what's going to be, that one's going to be about. Now, V, I'm going to have the reasons written out here in a bit, but let's see V. I said V is 44 degrees. Can you think of the reason? Oh, yeah, that's 44. Angles in the same segment. Okay, well, that's not so hard. Now I'm going to say the Q is 44 degrees. How do I know that? Oh, these parallel lines, that looks like a Z. Alternate angles, because QP is parallel to RV. What about W2? How big is W2? I said that W2 is equal to 84 degrees. Now, this is one that people have trouble seeing sometimes. There's a triangle, QWP, and that W2 is the exterior angle of a triangle, and it equals the sum of these two opposite interior. That's why it's got to be 84. And the last one, the very last one, W1, is got to be 12 degrees. Well, all these angles make up a triangle, so 180 minus all of these added up, that equals 12 degrees. And there's all those reasons I just said. There they are all written out nicely. And that's a nice 10 marks, a nice 10 marks. Now, is RP a diameter of a circle? Well, I'd say no. If it was a diameter, this would have to be 90 degrees. If it's a diameter, the angles in a semicircle, a diameter makes a semicircle, it'd be 90 degrees. So it's not 90 degrees. Angle RWP is not 90 degrees. Therefore, RP cannot be the diameter by angle on a semicircle. And there's the first 12 marks, which should be, you guys should be able to get those marks. You can take more steps and do angles in a triangle here. You could get, I got that angle and then angles in a line, and you could do it that way. But you'd only get 2 marks. Okay.